Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cookingappa.
Hi, this is Cookingappa. Appa will be uploading minimum 4 new videos every week, namely Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sometime Friday also. You're going to find Appa's new videos. And for over 2.5 years, Appa has uploaded over 600 cooking ideas. You can go and check it out. And it is actually categorized into different folders called playlists. So say if you want to look for seafood, there is a playlist for seafood. You click inside the seafood playlist, you're going to see more than 100 ways of how to cook a seafood. Okay, so and so forth. Now, today, Appa is having a very beautiful fish called white dot, 白点. I just literally translate. Okay, it's called white dot. So this is not common at all. Not common at all, and sometimes it depends a lot of luck for me to find it. I bought it from this little lorry selling seafood every Friday morning in Taman Desa, Kuala Lumpur. And according to him, the seafood he has is all coming from Pulau Ketam, and they are not caught using net. It's actually caught using rod, fishing rod. So very fresh, really very fresh. And this is if you come across this white dot fish, they call it 白点. Okay, please buy it. He's selling at the same price as normal snapper, but this fish tastes almost I'm saying almost like humpback grouper, 老鼠斑. Okay, almost tastes like that. So seriously, a very good fish, and it's not too expensive. And you will notice this fish it has very thick meat, very thick. See how thick it is, super thick. So later I'm going to use the Forge, from Pacifica to actually steam this fish. And today I decided to make some 菜脯蒸鱼, 菜脯. Okay, this is the sweetened radish, sweetened or sweetened turnip, or is it sweetened radish? Sweetened radish. There are 2 types of radish. This type of radish outside you can find. Of course you can find the sweetened one and the salted ones. I prefer to use the sweetened one. It's easier to control. If you buy the salted ones, make sure you soak it for a long time because it's extremely salty. Okay, some will actually mix like maybe 70-80% of sweetened radish and probably 20% of the salted ones. It's totally up to you, but for me, I prefer to use 100% sweetened ones and add a little bit of salt later. Okay, it's easier to control. And then I have some, this is chili padi. Okay, I don't want it to be too spicy, so I asked my kakak to remove the seeds. And I have some chopped garlic here. Just probably about 2 tablespoons. And some fresh coriander. And we will make a little bit of steamed fish sauce later. And let's start with preparing the fish. Alright, so before putting the fish into the steamer, let's marinate the fish a little bit. Make few slits on the body of the fish like this, on the sides. Okay, this will enable your fish to be cooked easier, especially on the very thick part. And then when you cut it, go vertical then sideways, vertical sideways. To give the steaming give it more surface for steaming. Okay, let's marinate a little bit of salt. Don't put too much. A bit of inside. And don't forget to remove the fish kidney, which is the blood in the middle here. Okay, remove the fish kidney. I will usually use a toothbrush to help me with that. Okay. And then we have the fish steaming pot. And I like this because it already raised, so we don't have to put the chopstick below. Put the fish over, just nice. I trim a little bit on the tail side just now. And we have few pieces of ginger. I'm going to put 2 inside the cavity. And then the rest on top. Alright, done. So we're just going to put this into the forge, the steamer. Okay, I'm not sure if you can hear this sound. I'm actually using the auto clean function. So usually what you do if you want to auto clean this particular machine is that you can press the steam button for about 5 seconds, then press start. Then it will actually clean all the piping itself for about 30 minutes. But in order for the auto clean function to function, you need to actually put in 1 pot. Okay, if there's no pot here, it can't do the job because it is actually putting in the steams and then it goes in a circle kind of thing. Okay, so and that's one thing I like about these 2 machines because they both wash by itself. It is only when they wash by itself then only you will feel like using it more often. Okay, just for your extra knowledge. Okay, so this is the final 2 minutes. As usual, the final 2 minutes it will actually let it rest. The washing, the auto clean function is basically just completed. You just waited until it becomes 0, then you can take it out, and then all the thing that you wash out will go inside this particular pot, and you just wash the pot. That's all. So all the inner piping is washed by itself. Very, very convenient. Okay, so here's my steamer. Just put in the glass fish pot. Okay, put it inside here, and I'm going to choose steam function. So this machine, it will take about the first 20 seconds, around 20 seconds to build out the steam, and it will give the last final 2 minutes to rest. So let's say if this fish needed minimum normally about 15 minutes, then you go and add another 2 to 3 minutes on top of that. So I will give it some maybe 18 minutes because this meat is very thick. Okay, from my observation so far, it should be most fish will take between 15 to 20 minutes using this particular steamer, and anything below that, it may not be 100% fully cooked. So you can actually test it out. My experience, 15 to 20 minutes, and the size of the fish. Now it really depends on the shape of the fish as well. Of course, this one, the head is actually quite big. It's almost like a snapper. Actually, if it's a snapper, then you are looking at probably about 700 grams. This fish is probably about 700 grams as well, but it actually has a thicker body. See, the steam is coming up right now after about 20 seconds. See, the steam is working its way out now, and then it will just steam by itself. And then we can go and make our radish, our cai bao. All right. So I'm going to put in a bit of oil. And we're going to use a medium fire to slowly saute the cai bao. Yeah. Ooh, sorry. My goodness. Oops. Be very careful, yeah? It will probably take about 5 to 10 minutes at least. Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes. Keep on stirring. Sometimes it may actually pop out. It may jump. This cai bao is very naughty. Don't use too high heat. Use medium heat. Okay. And you want to saute until it becomes actually crispy. Some will saute until 100% crispy. For me, no. I think about 60-70% crispy is enough. So keep on doing this. Later we will come back a few minutes later. Okay. Sorry about the bowl just now. So this is after about 10 minutes. You can see about 60% of it has already been become more crispy. So it has become lesser. Don't use too high heat, yeah, because this contains sugar. Remember, this is actually the sweetened type. So it contains sugar. It can actually get burned quite easily. So I'm actually using low medium heat right now to slowly saute it. All right. Now, next thing we do is I'm going to add in a little bit of this is the chopped chili padi and also garlic. It can be quite choking after adding these two, yeah. Tune down the fire a little bit. Now we can actually give it a little bit of salt. Do I need to add? Okay, I'll add a little bit of sugar, just a little bit. Okay, done. Mix everything up, and our Thai ball is ready. Oh, very fragrant, super fragrant. I wish you can smell this. Super fragrant. Done. We can quickly, I just off the fire, we can quickly make the steamed fish sauce. And the fish is almost ready. Alright, oops, sorry. The Thai ball is ready. And let's make some simple steamed fish sauce. You can start with some chicken stock, but I'm not using chicken stock today. This is just purified water. About half bowl. Okay, about half bowl of purified water here. I'm going to give it like 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, okay. Depending whether you want the color darkened or not. If you want it to be darkened, then you can actually add a little bit of dark soy sauce. This is more for the color. It's about 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon, up to you. Then I'm going to add a little bit of fish sauce. This is optional because this is actually very salty. Some people doesn't like it, so it's optional. Just put a little bit, half teaspoon. And where's my pepper? Few dash of pepper here. A pinch of salt. Followed by a pinch of sugar. And mix everything up. Then your steamed fish sauce is done. You don't really have to cook it. Some people ask me, do they have to cook this or not? If cook it makes you feel better, then you cook it. Yeah, no problem. There's no rules in Appa's kitchen, but I'm just telling you that you don't have to cook it if you don't want to. Today I'm not cooking it. Okay, make sure everything is nicely dissolved. And let's just wait for the fish. And once the fish is done, I will take it out and remove the fishy water and pour all this over the fish. Okay, I just throw away the fishy water. How I throw away the fishy water is actually, there are 2 holes, 2 small holes here. I actually use 2 cloves to hold these 2 and then just pour away the fishy water just now. Okay, always make a very good habit. Inside a lot of steam, so always open outwards. See the steam coming out? Okay, it's always make this good habit. Open outwards. So Ooh, hot. Wow, I can feel the fish is super tender. Let me adjust which is the better angle. Okay. Oh, this is better. I don't know, never mind. Okay, so what we do here, we have the steamed fish sauce. Pour it over the fish. Alright. Then we have our fried Thai ball. You want to flood the fish with the Thai ball, yeah, the sweetened radish. This goes very well with, especially with white porridge. And then garnish it with some fresh coriander. Okay, and it's done. Always, I like using some good equipment to help my cooking easier because Appa is also working. So if you use the right equipment, it will save your time. Now, all right. So I hope you like my video today. I will put the informations on the Forge from Pacifica inside the description box. Okay, where you can buy. And if you're from Singapore, you can also order this. There was from their Pacifica official website, pacifica.my, and they will actually deliver to you to Singapore. Okay, so I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cookingappa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cookingappa YouTube channel. Bye bye.